welcome. In front of me is a Oppo A53s, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right on the second page, right here as you can see. So once you find it, if you're doing this for the first time, which judging by the fact that you're watching this video, you most likely are, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. So you want to click right here, personalize hotspot settings, and start off by selecting the password, which as you can see by default is just some randomly generated trash. So I do recommend just selecting it and completely removing the old one and setting your new password. Now it does need to have about 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it, and that can be letters or numbers. Additionally, we have also a P-band. You can choose either 2.4 or 5 GHz, completely up to you. 5 GHz will be faster and more stable, but not every device will support it, while the 2.4 is a little bit dated, but basically any device with Wi-Fi connectivity will support it. And lastly, we have the name, so you can change this if you want to. This is just going to be the name of the hotspot that the device will create, and by default it is always the name of the phone itself. So as you can see, in this case it's Oppo A53s. Once you went through the settings and customize them to your liking, click on the save button, and you can close this. Pull down your notification panel once again, find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go. Hotspot is now active and you can connect to it. Now once you're done with the hotspot, I do recommend you to keep it in mind that you are using it, and then go back to it once you're finished. Tap on it again to turn it off. Hotspot does consume more battery when it's enabled, and if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background and just draining your battery for no reason. But anyway, this is how you would set up your hotspot and turn it on and off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.